could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back?
Back again with another video. If you're new here, my name is Zaya, of course. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am doing a Sunday reset, January 21st, and it is Sunday, obviously. So I got a lot of things to do today. I want to clean out my closet, wash my clothes. I want to like clean out my basket in my closet, like the clothes that I don't wear and can't fit. I'm gonna take it over to the green bin across the street. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. So I'm sorry I haven't been posting, first of all. It's just been a lot going on. This is actually gonna be my first video of 2024, y'all. And yeah, so yeah. I actually did get this camera from Christmas. It's the Viral 4K camera in pink. The quality is good and all. It's just the audio, y'all. Before I got this camera, I was reading reviews and it was like the audio was trash and I forgot to get a mic. So when I get some more money, I'm gonna get a mic. But yeah, this what the quality looks like. Y'all can't really see it, but it's okay. It's just I don't know how to transfer the videos on my phone, so I'm gonna figure something out because I cannot edit on the laptop, y'all. I gotta edit on my phone, on my iPad. But currently my iPad needs to be fixed. It's just somebody had broke it cracked and it was glitching. It was just putting random passwords in, and then now my iPad is unavailable, y'all. So anyways, I'm gonna start by picking up all like the stuff off the floor so I can start sweeping. Y'all, I had ordered some McDonald's. I got like some food left over, so I'm gonna take this downstairs and I'm gonna throw that away. Yeah, y'all, let's get started.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name.
You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways.
Keep going. Yo! Stop! He just got out the bed. He hiding, y'all, and I'm not finna chase him again. Okay, y'all, it's a little bit after I just got done washing my cat. I washed my hands, y'all, and now I'm eating some of the food I ordered from a few hours ago. Right now I'm just watching Didi for L, Dancing Dolls. I'm just watching Dance Dolls while I eat right now. It is currently 5:08, so I'm finna, well, not right now, but after I get done eating, I'm gonna get in the shower, and then I'm gonna put my clothes in the dryer, then I'll be in for today, y'all. I didn't even, to be honest, I wasn't even planning on cleaning my bathroom or like washing my cat, but it's Sunday, so I was like, why not? Cause our bathroom really didn't need cleaning. I really just was doing anything. But yeah, so sorry if I look bad. I'm using my back camera right now cause my front camera is broke, so sorry if I look bad. But yeah, I'm just finished watching that, and I'm gonna get to y'all later. The news Baddies East episode supposed to come out. It's supposed to be the reunion, I think. So I'm ready, y'all. So bye.
Cozy.
Hey y'all, so I just got done doing putting my clothes in the dryer, and I just got out the shower also like a few minutes ago. I really don't gotta do nothing else but to fold my clothes, so I'm gonna see y'all when my clothes get out the dryer, and I'm gonna fold my clothes, and then I'm gonna end this video. I'm finna start actually editing this video. That's what I'm finna do right now. So yeah, y'all, I'm out of breath, my bad, but I'm gonna see y'all when I'm gonna start folding my clothes.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't been like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, but used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. Now we mad because you let me low. want. I call her my what she want. Brush it off when you top me off, you know I'll be slung. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just without a thought, we never reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you think I'll break it. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you think I'll.
Okay, y'all, so I just got done folding my clothes. I am actually done, y'all. This was a long day, and I just got done editing, so all I gotta do is edit this clip, y'all, and I'm so happy. So, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn notifications down below for the miss any video I post or ever post to y'all. Down below what y'all want to see next to me, because, like, I want to hear y'all opinions, too. So, you follow me on all social medias. It will be in the description down below. And also make sure you follow me on my content, TikTok and Instagram. On my Instagram, where you will see all the updates on when I'm finna post and all of the my content. TikTok, you will see like POVs and like all that kind of content, good stuff like group chats, helping y'all and all that stuff. So just follow me, and yeah, y'all. So bye, y'all.
It's connected to you.